Hello everyone, this is Professor Ankita Sanklecha here. Now we move on to social media marketing. Before we start with the module, let me first take you through the contents of this module. In this module, we will cover different topics like the social media strategy, how can you build an online community, and then starting on to various communities or the platforms on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. For each of these platforms, we'll cover different aspects like how do you get started on the platform, how do you build the presence, how will you market on that particular platform, ads and analytics of that particular platform.